Hello students, welcome to the new session of our online English class. And here in this class we are going to do some exercises of your grammar book. So let us do exercise number C, where we have to pick out the adjective clauses in the following sentences. So let's revise what are adjective clauses. So the clauses which does the work of an adjective are known as adjective clauses. And what do you understand by an adjective? An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. So let's start with the exercise. First, she has a ring which is made of gold. So here the adjective clause is which is made of gold. He tells a tale that sounds untrue. Adjective clause is that sounds untrue. I met a boy whose eyes were blue. So here the answer is whose eyes were blue. It is a long street that has no turning. That has no turning. Give me some rice which I may eat. So the adjective clause here is which I may eat. They have work which they must do. So here the answer is which they must do. Uneasy lies the hat that wears a crown. That wears a crown. This is the house that John built. So here the adjective clause is that John built. The boy who sits near me is my cousin. Who sits near me? Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. So the answer is whose fleece was white as snow. So I hope with the help of this video you will be able to do your exercises. Now let's move on to exercise D. First one, where you have to supply suitable adjective clauses. Means it is not mandatory that you have to pick out. You can use any adjective clause which is relevant to the sentence. So here the first one is the reason dash is obvious. So you can write why he failed. The reason why he failed is obvious. Second, the house that I live in belongs to my father. You can also write any other relevant adjective clause in the blank. I am giving you just examples. The umbrella which has a broken handle is yours. You can also write the umbrella of blue color is yours. Fourth, the dog that bites does not bark. Fifth, he is the man whom we all respect. Or you can also write he is the man who is guilty. Sixth, the place where the accident happened is nearby. Seventh, the doctor has given me medicine which I must take. Which he has prescribed. You can also write this one also. 8. People who live in glass houses should not throw stones. 9th. He has no shoes which he can wear. Or you can also write he has no shoes of black color, of any other color. 10th. The moment which is lost forever. So you can write any other relevant adjective clause in the blank. I have only given you examples so that it will be easy for you to write the blanks. Now let us move on to the next exercise, that is exercise E, where we have to pick out the noun clauses in the following sentences. Noun clauses. Now what are noun clauses? The clauses which does the work of a noun are known as noun clauses. So let's start with 1. I do not know when I shall return. So here the noun clause is when I shall return. Second, We expect that we shall get a prize. So here the noun clause is that we shall get a prize. Third, there is no meaning in what you say. The answer here is what you say. Fourth, life is what we make it. So noun clause here is what we make it. What he said was untrue. So here the noun clause is what he said. Tell me why they did this. So here the noun clause is why they did this. I asked the man how old he was. So what's the noun clause here? It is how old he was. Eighth, it is feared that they will not agree. So here, what's the noun clause? It is that they will not agree. No news, no one knows who they are. So noun clause here is who they are. They are sure that they will win the match. That they will win the match. Now let us move on to F exercise, where we have to complete the blanks with giving suitable noun clauses. So the first one here is I fear that they will die. Second, my belief is that God is omnipresent. Third, what he says pleases me. Fourth, I do not know who are they. Fifth, pay careful attention to your studies. Sixth, we saw that birds were flying. Seventh, it is known to everyone. Eighth, it is uncertain that it is working or not. Ninth, all depends on what you think. And the last one here is the doctor is hopeful that patient will survive. So what we have to do in the last exercise, we have to add suitable noun clauses. So I have only given you examples which will help you out, but you can also add any relevant or suitable noun clauses of your own also. So I hope with the help of this video you will be able to do exercises from C to F in your grammar book. All the work which I am providing you have to do in grammar book. Thanks.